Hey there, I'm Robbie with Delta Millworks. I'm here with Barret today. We're here at our main production facility here in Austin, Texas. And today we're going to be talking about thermally modified woods. So what are thermally modified woods? They've been around, originating in Europe for almost 25 years now. Still a new process to the US and North America overall in terms of companies producing thermally modified wood. As an overview, thermally modified wood is really just a process of heat and steam introduced to the wood. So it's very clean. There's no chemical or other types of material added to the wood. There's a couple different ways to modify these woods, but really at the end of the day, it's heat and it's steam. So it brings the moisture content down to close to 0%. And it can do that because of the moisture introduced into the chamber. Without the moisture, the wood would literally burn up. Depending on the process, these temperatures can be from the high 300s to the low 400 degree Fahrenheit range. So fairly hot. So once the wood is brought down to close to 0%, moisture is reintroduced into the wood, and on average, most thermally modified woods end up being in the 5 to 6% range. The beauty of thermal modification is it's really taking woods not suitable traditionally for exterior use and turning them into 30, 40 plus year exterior woods and frankly harsh environments.
We have a thermally modified spruce out of Finland. This is going to be the same product here, just in a different profile. We have two decking products here, this one also being the thermally modified spruce that was mentioned previously. We have a thermo radiata pine here. And last but not least, we have a thermally modified vertical grain hemlock. So these are all going to be used for various applications. Obviously, we went through the two decking products here, and thermally modified decking is a great process to improve the durability, especially for a heavy wear and tear surface, like a horizontal surface like decking. These two products over here and the thermal hemlock as well are going to be used traditionally for exterior siding, can also be used for interior paneling, soffits and ceilings. Really, the main benefit is that you're improving the dimensional stability of the wood, right? So you're getting a much straighter product, a much harder product, and it's just gonna have a lot more rigidity and really kind of a more controllable material to work with on your building. Another great aspect is the treatment process. The thermal modification process is actually removing the natural sugars in the wood. And what that's doing is it's making it a lot more resistant to insects, bugs, obviously weathering and decay, but also woodpeckers or other animals that may be attracted to those sugars in the wood. That's what these animals are going after. The thermal modification process is removing a lot of the natural characteristics of the wood, making it resistant to these types of animals or other weathering effects. We do notice with thermally modified woods that we're changing the color of the wood, right? So we're taking a product that would start out much lighter in color, and we're really turning it into that chocolate brown color, and that's one of the beautiful natural characteristics of the wood. We provide a finish at Delta called our HD Clear finish, which allows us to seal these products naturally, but also be able to maintain the natural look of that wood and really bring out those really beautiful chocolate brown colors. And obviously we can pre-finish these as well with a variety of our different applications and finishes here at Delta.
European standards, they use an open cell system of thermally modifying their wood. So the process can take really a few days. So it's a slower process compared to the closed cell system. The open cell, it's not pressurized. It utilizes steam throughout the process and is usually around 400 degrees.
That closed cell system is just mostly focusing on the pressure, obviously heat as well, whereas the open system is really introducing the steam and the heat as well. So the steam versus the pressure, those are the main differences between those two. Closed cell being the shorter time period, open cell being the longer time period. Both thermally modifying the wood, bringing them to the same benefits and natural, characteristics that we have discussed previously.
We do a lot of really unique and beautiful and high-performing coatings on these products as well. So feel free to reach out. Thermally modified wood is a great thing overall. It's great for the industry. It's great for promoting sustainable forests and a clean, non-toxic process for treating these woods. And yeah, thermal modification is really the future of exterior woods.